wrongs in their own life. दुसऱ्यांचं अहित करता करता, दुसऱ्यांचं वाईट करता करता स्वतःच वाईट होऊन जातं हे आता लोकांच्या लक्षातही येत नाही. म्हणजे ते खड्डा खणतात दुसऱ्यासाठी, परंतु त्या खड्ड्यामध्ये स्वतःच पडतात असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. इफ यू सेट अ ट्रॅप फॉर अदर्स, तुम्ही एखाद्यासाठी एखादा ट्रॅप, एखादं जाळं विणलं असेल, यू विल गेट कॉट इन इट युअर सेल्फ, तुम्ही स्वतःच त्यामध्ये काय होता, अडकता. सो these are the meanings and explanation of all these proverbs. Now students, here you have one activity. You have to write down all these activities from icebreakers activities in your notebook. If you have any doubts, if you have any difficulties, then you can ask me or you can send your queries on my WhatsApp. Okay, so all these are icebreakers activities. And again, now we come to the title of our poem. See, what is the title of our poem? The Inchcape Rock. Now students, here I am going to tell you in short what is there in this particular poem, The Inchcape Rock. Now name of this poet who has written this poem is Robert Southey. Now, who was Robert Southey? Robert Southey was born in Bristol. He was born in Bristol and his lifespan is 1774 to 1843. Means he born in 1774 and he died in 1843. He was a poet laureate of England from 1813 to 1843. Now what is mean by poet laureate? In Marathi, राजकवी. इंग्लंडमधले राजकवी त्यांना म्हटलं जात होतं. 1813 ते 1843 या कालावधीमधले राजकवी means Robert Southey. Then some of his short poems like Scholar, The Battle of Blenheim, Bishop Hatto, The Inchcape Rock, Present Poem, etc. are very popular with the school children. All are his poems and all these poems are very famous with the school children. Southey was inspired by the legendary story of a pirate who removed the bell on the Inchcape Rock placed by the abbot of Arbroath. The poem gives us a message that those who do wrong things will meet with due punishment. And this is about the theme of poem. Southey was inspired, encouraged. He get a kind of encouragement by the legendary story. Legendary, imaginary. He heard one imaginary legendary story about a pirate. Now what is mean by pirate? Pirate means people who are there in the sea. समुद्रामध्ये जे लोक असतात की जे काय करतात, चोरी करतात, आपण त्याला लुटारू म्हणूयात, चाचे त्यांना म्हटलं जातं मराठीमध्ये. सो he read about the story of a pirate and from that particular story he get that particular inspiration, who removed the bell on the Inchcape Rock placed by the abbot of Arbroath. Abbot means head of that particular religion, त्या धर्माचा प्रमुख, आपण त्याला धर्मगुरू म्हणतो. मग या धर्मगुरूंनी त्या इंचकेप रॉक वरती जी एक बेल लावली होती, ती बेल त्याने काय केली, काढून टाकली. ही रिमूव्ह दॅट बेल ऑफ Arbroath. Arbroath इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, ते एका ठिकाणाचं नाव आहे. द पोयम गिव्स अस अ मेसेज दॅट दोज who do wrong things will meet with the due punishment. And from this poem, poet has given us a kind of message. And what message we have given from this particular poem? Who do wrong things will meet with due punishment. Person who do something wrong Definitely, obviously, in his life, he get the punishment of his own action. This message we get from the poem. And in short, now again, I want to repeat that particular proverb. As you sow, so shall you reap. Jasa peral, tasa ugel. So, this is about the introductory part about the Inchcape Rock poem by Robert Southey. We have discussed about introductory part. We have discussed about icebreakers activities. We have discussed about theme of the poem. And students, in the next lecture, we are going to see that particular story which happened in this particular poem. Poem is very interesting. We entertain or we attract towards this particular story, this particular poem. Robert Southey, he has described this particular story in a very extraneous manner. So in tomorrow's lecture we will see the poem. Till that we will stop here. Your next lecture will be continue after some time.